Hey everybody, Dirty Dan here.
Damn old worker too. We're not all working in a suit. Even though we don't pay taxes, Social Security, we still work for a living as you can see. Animals are workers too. We're working just as hard as you.
Today we're going to be dissecting this vintage Chattanooga. This was sent to me by David. It actually works, but if you look up inside, there is a whole world of hurting going on up inside there. So what I want to do is take it apart and see what we can find on the inside. So, see, I'm going to just try to get a screwdriver in there and maybe... Oh my gosh, that does not look good. Ooh. Ah. Oh boy. That's bad. Oh. It just, like, threw chips out of there. Ew. Oh boy. Look at that. That is a sight for sore eye right there. Wow. That is truly insane. Just look at the patterns on there. All that corrosion. Wow, that is insane. Oh my gosh. Poor thing. I wonder how it got like this. Let's look at the other side. See, the other side's fine. Why is that brush plate so yellow? You know, look at it. It's real yellow. That's kind of weird. But, besides the... Oh, boy, I didn't even notice. Look inside the tender shell. Wow. Alright, well, you know what? Basically what we're going to be doing is just restoring this locomotive, and that's about it. Just getting it all cleaned up. So, yeah, that's pretty much all we're going to be doing. I mean, really nothing too special. Pretty much just lubricating it, you know, cleaning it off a little bit, and that's about it. That's really all it needs. We're going to get all that corrosion off, so let's jump right into it. Alright, people, we finished. Let's see if our hard work paid off. Oh, yes! Holy crap! Man, that thing's got some freaking power. Oh, it derailed. What the heck just happened? Oh, one of the pickups came off the track. Wow, that's amazing. Look at the thing go. Wow, it's got the smoke here and everything. Well, people, I'd call that a success. That's truly amazing that we took that thing and, you know, brought it back from the dead. Let me see. Something's wrong with the switch over here. There we go. Now it should derail. Nope, still derailing. What the heck? Let's see if it does reverse. Yep. Well, people, I'm going to call that a total success. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my awesome quality content. And we're going to do many more videos like this soon. You may be seeing another Chattanooga video soon. Thank you, David Z to G Scale, for sending me this Chattanooga. This one's going to be enjoyed for years to come. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.